Not sure which professional memberships actually signal a trustworthy gold IRA company? Knowing what to look for can save you a lot of uncertainty. Investors often get overwhelmed trying to figure out which certifications or memberships actually indicate that a company is ethical and dependable. In the Why Choose Augusta guide, you will see examples of companies holding memberships in professional associations that enforce high ethical standards. These examples illustrate how you can evaluate any gold IRA provider based on their industry affiliations. When reviewing industry memberships, consider whether the organization enforces ethical guidelines, how long the company has maintained good standing, and any patterns showing consistent professionalism and integrity. This guide is one of 8 in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle, which also covers why precious metals, company integrity checklist, and the digital dollar report. I've linked this one in the description so you can see how to recognize the credentials that matter most. By understanding which industry memberships are meaningful, you will be better equipped to choose a company with solid ethics and professionalism. Download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle for free. It's beginner friendly, easy to follow, and helps you move forward confidently by showing you how to spot providers with the right professional credentials. The link is in the description.